The Liverpool skyline is famous worldwide, instantly recognisable waterfront buildings, symbols of the city's proud maritime history, a welcoming sight to visitors from near and far. Just a short walk north along the River Mersey is the Liverpool Waters Regeneration Zone, where over £5.5 billion is being invested in the city's historic Docklands district. Built in 1901 from more than 27 million bricks, the Grade 2 listed tobacco warehouse is one of the area's most recognisable buildings and central to the redevelopment master plan. 50,000 square foot has been set aside for cafes, restaurants, retail and workspaces. Above that, more than 500 apartments will create a thriving new riverside community. These are not just run-of-the-mill new build properties, but open-plan, duplex living spaces that evoke a New York loft lifestyle. Exposed brickwork, rugged steel columns, style, space, and best of all, value. Prices range from £280,000 to £590,000, with apartment sizes from 963 to 2,567 square foot, at prices 60% below the city centre comparables. With rents already rising rapidly in this area, now is the time to secure your piece of history in this magnificent architectural masterpiece. Register with Rothmore Property for further details.